How to create a new link for Dropbox files. So to start, we'll just have to open our account. To do that, simply open browser and then search for dropbox.com. After that, log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this All Files option. After that, it will show us all the files and folders that we have on our account. So as an example, I'm going to open a folder. Let's just open this one. And then in here, we'll have to tap on the settings icon. And then after that, tap on share and then tap on the share with Dropbox option. So in here, as you can see, this file or folder already has a link. So if I want to create a new link, what I need to do is to tap on the settings option. And then after that, we'll have to go on this link for editing. And then in here, you will see this option, people with this link can edit. What we need to do is to go on the right part of the screen and then tap on the delete link option. And then after that, we'll have to tap again on this delete option. Once we're done deleting the link, we'll just have to go back. And then in here, you will now see this option, create and copy link. All we need to do is to tap on create. And then after that, we'll just have to wait for a little. And as you can see, a new link is created. If you want to share the file or folder, all you need to do is to copy this link. So that's how easy we can create a new link for Dropbox files. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!